Guys, this is how I prepare my ofe oha. The ingredient is stated above. So first up, I put my meat, maggi and salt on fire. I don't add water. I just allow the meat to absorb the ingredient so it will have good taste. Then I put my aku and ede on fire. If you think you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Then this is my okporoko. I wash it with hot water, then I sieve it out, select the dirt out. This is how I select my oha leaf. I remove the softer part from the hard part. If you put the hard part, it is hard to digest, so I just put the softer part, easy to cook and easy to digest. Now I add water to the meat because the meat water was already drying up, and then I added my okporoko. Then I added pepper so that the taste, it will come out sweet and nice. So now I check my aku and ede on fire. It was hot, so please do not use your hand, use spoon to check it, or you use the fork to check it. Please, alternative, you can use palm oil. You don't have to use aku, or you can use only ofo instead of ede, ofo and achi. So I select it, I separate them, I pound the ede, and then I use my hand to do the aku. You can also use mortar if you want, but as a professional, you use your hand. So this is how the aku, I add water to wash out the oil and the minerals that I need. I sieve it out. I sieve it using my sieve inside my meat and my meat and okporoko stock. I put it on fire to allow it to boil, and I added maggi for taste. This is my crayfish and achi. I grind them, and then I mix it up with my ede, already pounded ede, and then I'll show you how the mixture looks like. Yes, this is my ede, achi and crayfish, and this is how I put it inside. I put it in little quantity so that it will be able to cook faster. Allow it to boil, then I added pepper because there wasn't enough pepper. So my next ingredient is my uziza leaf, and then this is my oha, both already peeled out. So I add water to wash, that's normal. Then I don't slice it, I just snap my finger and then it's already sliced. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. This is a new channel. So yeah, I'm adding my uziza leaf to my soup. I allow it to boil. Then I mix my ogiri. You can buy it in the market, it's everywhere. Some people call it native maggi, but we know it as ogiri. Then I add my oha leaf, already sliced and cut. Turn it. The soup is ready. Very easy to make. It's not that hard. So as stated earlier, you can put palm oil instead of palm kernel. Very easy to make. So please like and subscribe to my channel.